Hello and welcome to this tour of a Bromelia or B-type villa in Barri. Today we're going to do something a bit different and start with just showing the plot. The reason being the back door's open, and I think the plot is probably the biggest selling point of the villa. For those who don't know, B-types are 14,900 square foot in built-up area and averagely around 13 to 13,500 square foot in plot size. The unique part of this plot is it is a corner plot which is not overlooked in any way whatsoever. As you can see, the plot loops all the way round. Plenty of space around here to set up whether it's food and beverage area, play area, seating area, etc. But it's a really nice plot, really private. Again, I'll just show you where we've just come from. As you can see, no villa at all looking over from any direction, and for me that's one of the best parts of living in Barri, having the privacy and the greenery and these big beautiful gardens, as well as the big house. The pool's been filled. Over to the corner we have a nice seating area, and I'll just show you, just for argument's sake, how the plot loops round. Yeah. So we'll head over and enter through the back. The pool's just been filled, looking nice and clean water. Property's vacant on transfer. It's vacant right now. It's viewable right now, anytime. We'll go through the living area here. Aircon's on, which is nice. The property previously was rented, so it's always been lived in. It's not been left empty and vacant for long. We now find ourselves here at the front door. Start the tour of the internal space. So with the B-types, you have this huge triple ceiling entrance, really welcoming, a lot of space, feels very spacious. On this layout to the left we have the kitchen, fully built in, ready to move in, don't need to bring any appliances in. Of course, it's a good sized kitchen. Now we'll head through to the living area. Of course, if you're looking to buy something to renovate, all this space here, this wall can go, open out to be a huge kitchen, to this dining area type space. Through again. So huge ground floor living and dining area, multiple spaces to keep separate, whether you want formal, informal dining, formal, informal living. And also, as you can see, plenty of space and opportunity for upgrades, including things like the doors, this fireplace here, etc, etc. Downstairs guest toilet, just there. Head round. Here we have, often used as a storage area, but it could be a prayer room, whichever is more suitable to yourself and your family. Here we have the master bedroom on the ground floor. Obviously a really good space for anybody with maybe parents visiting, older children. It's a bit more separate to the rest of the bedroom area, and also has big wardrobe space and private entrance and exit to the garden, as well as a really beautiful ensuite here with his and her sink, and as you may be able to see here, actually a hot tub space which we breezed past before. Shower there as well. Through, as I said, the property is in pretty good condition. It's just recently been painted, cleaned, but there's still some work ongoing, so don't be too alarmed by anything you see. Still going. This is basement number 1, the smaller of the two. Often I see this made into a cinema, which has happened here because there's plenty of space for a cinema. The roof above us can actually disappear. This right here can go quite quickly, make it a bit more spacious. Head Stairs. Go through. Probably would have been better starting over here. Here we have, if I can turn on the lights, we'll head down. Can, perfect. Basement number 2, a larger space, often used as a gym, spa area, again, etc., etc. Again, the whole area above can disappear. Also has a toilet just there. Upstairs, I will catch you at the staircase. So back again, there's the first basement we saw, under the staircase, which we're now going up. Here we have a study. Nice space. I've been into these, which have been converted into beautiful libraries. You can put a little staircase on this balcony here to make it a private entrance as well. I know some people prefer private entrance to their study. Shower. Ensuite, so it could be used as a bedroom. I've seen some people have their helpers in the house use that bedroom, because as you'll see later, the maid's room's a huge size, and I would suggest you convert it to another bedroom rather than waste the space. Another large bedroom, a corner view, balcony. Again, have a look at how private the view and the garden is. Extreme where I live in. Is this door open? No. Okay. Have the walk-in wardrobe again, similar to downstairs. Again, ready to move in. However, if you want to come in and make some upgrades, you can have a chat and make them happen very quickly. Shower. You see a lot of villas in Barri at the moment which are being renovated. So there's a lot of renovation companies who already have planning permissions, etc. They deal with Barri, and I deal with them personally as well, and can help quite quickly in getting work done. This is a really well-sized, well-placed bedroom. As you can see, it's a good size. There's a storage area and access to the balcony. We'll head on the balcony last, so we still have time for that. Check the bedrooms first. Again, similar to downstairs, similar size, bathroom similar, and again a balcony space just here. Could be an upstairs study or play area for the kids, makeup room, whichever you prefer. Plenty of room here again for a desk, or could extend and make this a bigger area on the balcony. Here we have the open areaed walkway. So this is the maid's room on paper. For me, it's a lot of wasted space for the helpers in the maid's room, because we have this huge balcony which can be easily extended onto, making this a huge bedroom, almost like a second master. And you can still have the balcony space here, build the wall here, enclose balcony spaces there. Be a huge room. I've seen a lot of people do that. And of course it has its own ensuite already, which would just need some touch-ups, let's be honest. But yeah, great opportunity. If you're going to change one thing about this property, for me it has to be this room, and that this has to become another bedroom to the house. Obviously the detachment to the rest of the house can be an advantage for some families. Again, if you have older children and they're turning up at whatever time, they can come straight up the stairs and into their rooms without going through the house. The same for guests. This on paper is the guest bedroom. It's almost like an outhouse within the house. Little detachment away from the rest of the house. So you see a lot of people with their guests here. En suite. Now we'll head to the balcony space, which, if you're looking to max out the house, Barri give permissions without any issues to extend all over these balconies, which again I would recommend doing. It will definitely increase the value of the property and increase the luxury of your living. Again, something we can discuss in more detail over the phone or on a viewing, but not overlooked at all, which is the most important thing for me about this plot again. Finally, we'll head upstairs to the roof terrace. The roof terrace, we're seeing things like studies, gyms, spas, saunas, steam room, these kind of things in this space right here, because obviously you have the advantage of an unobstructed view towards the greenery at the top of the house. Also no one looking in, it's nice and private. Yeah. This really epitomises Barri living. It goes all the way round. We also have a driver's room here, sorry. I think this is the toilet. Let's see if the driver's is open. And driver room here. And then this looping roof terrace. Finally, to add, for those football fans or with kids who enjoy their footy, this is going to be the football pitch next door. It's a beautiful sporting facility. The rest of this is going to be carried on with the beautiful garden and greenery that you're seeing here. And for those who know Barri well, or those who don't, they should check it out. The path along here at the back leads directly to the farm restaurant, which obviously is well recognised within the community. So for any more information or to set up a viewing, please give me a call or a WhatsApp on the number provided.